Hello guys, happy to see you all once again in this video. In this video, we are going to explore some of the free courses from LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you might know all the final year students might be knowing about LinkedIn because you will be searching for a job. So LinkedIn also introduced their LinkedIn Learning, so that you can get some of the free courses and also get the pathway. Even you can pay also. From of the courses is there for study for paid courses also there, and most of the courses is also available for free, and you will get the basics of the all the topics, which is late and modern topics like data science, data analytics, like that, machine learning. So let's get started and get into the video. Here it is, the marketing strategies, social marketing, how to do social marketing, how you will attract your customers, how attractive you have to design your website or your social media platform, how to do this and all you will be getting through these courses. So it might be helpful for you, and here you can see some of the subdivisions here, so that you can get some more courses you have to explore. So I will be telling how to get, and I will be showing, and this is the leveraging the power of search to accomplish your business goals. Google Analytics. Nowadays analytics plays a major role in every company, so make the use of it. These courses like analytics courses using Excel, Tableau, data visualization courses and all, I am included in this, and I am just showing some of the 15 free courses with certificates, but also you can explore more courses in this section. Under you can see, right, business courses, creative courses, and as in technology courses, like that you have to explore. So I am just giving the information that LinkedIn is giving some free courses about basic knowledge in these topics. So I am just an informator to here in this video. In this video I am making two for this, giving the information to the people. This information should be get reached to the my subscribers or anyone who have need this. So what I am making this video, so I have given the link in the description. You can find, I will be giving one link is enough. I don't want to give these 15 links, because one link, if you got the one link here the description, if you assume that this is the web development course, I will be giving the web development course in the link. By clicking the link, you can explore at the last page. You can see the subdivisions here you can find. So let me tell about the web developer. So how to become a web developer. This is a pathway course. If you attend this course, you didn't become a web developer, I'm surely saying. Just giving the pathway how to become a web developer and what is web developer, what is the daily life of web developer. So are you interested in it? So here we have the path for it. That is the main motto of this course. So some of the courses having the more introduction, and also the theory parts. This is the welcome to learning Java. Here all you want to know about Java is here. So guys, I am telling just one thing, please make use of it. In this lockdown time, you have a great time to learn or upgrade yourself. Most of the students from second year or third year, I don't know, and if you are in the final year but you are know the situation that you have to upgrade your skills, whatever you get from the college, it's not at all enough to get into the company. So you should strong in some of the like certificate courses, so make use of it guys. And next is Google Ads Essential Training. This is also one of the best courses, because if you want to display your ad, it should be attract the customers or attract the viewers. So you should be design your ad in the best way, and how to make the ad to everyone, and how to recommend the ad whoever wants that ad. You have to use the recommend engine, right? So how to make that SEO, and also you will be seeing in this course. And the next course is Tableau. I already said, right, Tableau is one of the became the most for data visualization, Tableau is very good for data visualization. You can explore many things in the as compared to reports and dashboards. You are using Tableau, it will be very great because stakeholders can understand what insights they are actually given by the data analyst. So here is the future function builds Node.js. This is the JavaScript course, and you will be getting the certificate. You can see, but for that you have to just sign in. If you signed after completing this course, you will be get certificate. Some of the courses are just an introductory course, but most of the courses are full course, like Java, C++ are included. Here the course, I don't know what this course, of course I don't know, whatever I don't know I will be telling don't know. So you can find the link here by giving, I will be giving one link. So in that link you have to explore what you have interested and explore in your pathway. I don't compare you to take these courses. These are the courses as I can't show my face, I just showing my screen. So just make I giving the instructions, so make use of it, because this is Microsoft Excel. This is one of the good courses, and I will be giving the link in the description. And this is the introduction in graphics design. How whoever will be used, I don't know. So most of the thing, these are the non-technical things. You should not don't want to have a prior knowledge or experience. You can start it from scratch if you are interested in designing. And last one is improve your skill in listening, how important in your life. Improve your listening skills. And last, I am saying, you can, by giving the one link, you can find the courses in the below. You scroll down the last page, in the sense, if you are giving this web development link here, you just scroll down and see, you can see the subdivisions here. You can business courses, you can see, and you can see the creative courses, you can see technology courses. So make use of it, guys. I am just convey my information that I have used. I am just giving the information to my fellow subscribers. So thank you for watching, and if you are not get benefited by this video, please share the video. Don't forget to share, because so your friends may be in the need to learn something or to upgrade themselves. So whoever in the need to learn courses, you can share with them. And by giving so not only this 15 courses, most of the courses available free here. So make use of it, guys. And thank you for watching. If you liked my work, don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you. Until then, bye from Joel.